let's build a dynamic version of this infographic in Power BI. We'll start with our background. I really wish that Power BI had a color picker. Okay, that's as good as we'll get. And then we'll put in our pie graph, our donut graph here. And we're going to go the type and the market share. Okay, so we've got our console games at 57%, and we've got our PC games at 43%. So we need to rotate it to match the infographic. I had to play with this before, and I think it's 155. Okay. And now we'll update the colors. So the console, we want it to be this teal, and our PC, we want it to be this yellow. Take away the background. Okay. Get rid of the title, and we're going to get rid of the legend. We're just going to have the percentages only and not the names. And I will turn off the backgrounds as well. Make them semi-bold and nice and big. And to give it that infographic feeling, I'm going to bring in some images that I got AI to create. So insert image, and we'll choose warrior guy and also elf princess. Okay, and about the same size. Now the danger with images is always they are not dynamic. So if we use this for the following year, these values may change and this yellow guy might end up sort of over the blue area. But for this purpose, we'll include them. Okay, and then we'll add in our revenue. Take away our backgrounds and our borders. We'll make this white. There we go. And we'll change the title here to total revenue. Come into the label now, and we'll also make that white. And we want to center that. Okay. Now underneath that, we want to have our year-over-year growth, and created a DAX measure for that one. So let's put that in the reference label. Yep, total revenue growth. We also don't want the background or the divider, and we want that value to be white. Layout, center. Let's get rid of that spacing. Very nice. So we've got our total revenue there. And now we want our revenue for each of them. I think I'm just going to put the values above it instead of putting them inside. So here we're going to filter this by type, and we just want the console 53, and our reference label, we want that to be the year-over-year market share here, and we're going to turn title on and customize the title. And what we might do is color it so we know that it is for the console. And now we're going to duplicate that, and we're going to create the same one over here. Change the filter this time to PC games, and change that to yellow and 3.9 year over year. Great. And now all we have to do is add in our title. I'm going to make my pie values bigger. Let's make them 30. See how that goes. Too big. Then let's add a text box. We'll change this to be teal, and this to our mustard, and we'll bring it up to be our heading. So that is our dynamic chart in Power BI. For more BI tips, don't forget to hit that follow button.